7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, back charge. 5, 6, 7. We're gonna bring her in on 1. The hand's gonna go over her head on 2. Guys, we're gonna pike on 3. Now we're gonna drop the right hand. 5. Bring the left hand over to the shoulder and drop it on 6. Start looking at her on 7. Hands coming up. So now on 1, I'm going to be going over the head. The left hand is going to go for her left hand and stop her. 1. So now on 2, I'm going to start turning her to the left with my right hand. 2, 3, I'm going to touch the shoulder, right turn, 5, 6, 7, off the slot. Connect the left on 1, go over the head, both hands. 2, palms up. 3, now we're going to get this figure 5, flick the hand, back charge, 6, 7. So now we're going to give her a Copa. 1, let go of the right hand, bring her forward. 2, turn around. 3, 360, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 and a half right. Forward 1. Turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do half a turn to the right on 1. And on 2, we're going to start turning to the left. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go forward on 1. 1, turn to the right. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Go back on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back up on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.